Welcome back to Flight Attendant French Phrases by Canadian French for Flight Attendants. My name is Ace, and I'm a French-English bilingual flight attendant. Our goal here is to teach you the French that we flight attendants use on the job. Last lesson, we did meal service. Now it's time to offer some beverages to our passengers. Here are 11 common French phrases you will use and encounter during drink service. First, you prepare and come out with the beverage trolley. We would ask, would you like something to drink? Last lesson, we learned one way to ask, would you like?
Désirez-vous?
Literally, do you desire? Now listen and repeat. Would you like something to drink?
Désirez-vous quelque chose à boire?
Something.
Quelque chose.
To drink.
À boire. Quelque chose à boire? Désirez-vous quelque chose à boire?
Of course, what kind of drinks you have to offer will vary, but let's go over a few common choices that passengers ask for. Some water.
De l'eau. De l'eau.
Some coffee.
Du café.
Some tea.
Du thé.
Some orange juice.
Du jus d'orange.
Some apple juice.
Du jus de pomme.
They could also add please.
S'il vous plaît. Du jus de pomme, s'il vous plaît.
How would passengers ask for soft drinks? Pretty simple usually.
Coke. Pepsi. Sprite. Ginger ale.
Or, instead of,
Ginger ale.
you might hear passengers refer to it by its brand name.
Canada Dry.
How would we ask, with some ice?
Avec de la glace. Glace. De la glace. Avec de la glace. Avec de la glace.
A European francophone is more likely to ask you for some ice cubes.
Des glaçons. Glaçons. Avec des glaçons.
Let's take a closer look.
Jus d'orange.
Is literally juice of orange.
Jus de pomme.
Is juice of apple.
S'il vous plaît.
Please is, of course, an extremely useful phrase. Breaking it down, it literally means, if it pleases you.
S'il vous plaît.
In writing, you'll more often than not see it abbreviated as SVP.
De l'eau, s'il vous plaît. Pouvez-vous ranger votre sac, s'il vous plaît?
Now repeat again. Some ice.
De la glace.
Some water.
De l'eau.
Some juice.
Du jus.
Some coffee.
du café,
some tea,
du thé,
some ice cubes.
des glaçons.
Why are there so many different ways to say some in French? We learned last lesson that the word the in French changes depending on the noun that follows. La for feminine singular nouns,
La lasagne,
le for masculine singular nouns,
le poulet,
L apostrophe for singular nouns beginning with a vowel sound,
l'omelette, l'agneau,
and les for all plural nouns.
les pâtes, les fruits.
In French, the word for some is fundamentally made up of the word of
De,
and the word the.
glace,
Is feminine, so the ice is
la glace,
some ice, literally of the ice, is therefore
de la glace. Eau,
is also feminine, but because it starts with a vowel sound, the water is
l'eau,
thus some water, literally of the water, becomes
de l'eau.
now
Jus,
is masculine. So in theory, for some juice, we should say
de le jus,
but in French,
de le,
must always contract to,
du,
and that's why we say
du jus.
likewise for some coffee and some tea, we say
Du café, du thé.
finally
Glaçon,
is masculine, but we're using it in the plural, ice cubes.
glaçon,
So to say some ice cubes, in theory we should say
de les glaçons,
but
de les,
in French must always contract to,
des,
hence
des glaçons.
instead of saying some coffee or some juice, a passenger could also say a coffee please or an orange juice please, meaning a cup of coffee or a cup of orange juice. Same in French.
Un café, un thé, un jus d'orange, un jus de pomme, un Pepsi, un glaçon, un Coke,
Which European francophones will call.
Coca,
We don't say,
une eau,
we say instead a cup of water.
un verre d'eau, verre, un verre d'eau, s'il vous plaît.
Let's pause here. We're now ready to do drink service in French. Désirez-vous quelque chose à boire? De l'eau. Du café. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this useful, consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. Have questions, comments, or suggestions? Leave them below. Ready to learn more Flight Attendant French? Head on over to FrenchForFlightAttendants.com. Modules 1 through 5 of our audio lessons are now all available, and you'll learn everything from French basics to the French needed to be hired by an airline to the French used in the vast majority of these flight attendant on-the-job situations. See you soon, and have a great day wherever your travels may take you.